This is the video manual of RWLOS Parter. Here is the installation of the steering group. Take out the corresponding accessories. It uses an M23 metal ball head. Install with a 1.5 hexagon screwdriver. There are two mounting holes here. It is to adapt to different car widths. We can install it to the inner hole first. Check if it is vertical after installation. Be careful to keep the vertical installation all the time. After installation, to check whether it has been installed and fitted. According to the instructions, install other parts by vertical installation and make sure it fits. The next thing to use is the RH screw of M2*5. There are also 2%, 4, 0.1 gasket. The gasket here is placed between the bonding positions. According to the degree of tightness, appropriately increase or decrease the number of gaskets. Remind me. Here is also to keep the vertical installation. Don't forget to add the gasket here as well. Check again if it has been installed and fitted. This part must be guaranteed to rotate freely and smoothly. We'll have the steering assembled in no time. Take out the corresponding parts. This is an M2*5 guide sleeve. M2×12 CS screw. Relatively simple installation process. I'll help you speed it up. Finally, check to see if the screws have been tightened. Take out the parts we have just installed. This is the relaxation knot of M2. '6* the bearings and pressure bearings. Pressure bearings are divided into upper and lower bearing assembly. Inner diameter of lower assembly. It will be a little smaller than the inner diameter of the upper component. Install into the guide sleeve. Knotless. This is the next component. We install the two lower components first. Middle mounting bearing tube shaft. Then the upper layer is the upper component with a larger inner diameter. Take out the steering components we have installed. This bearing, also put it in the guide sleeve. After, we fasten these bearings with lug nuts. The tool used for this tablet is a 4.0 hexagonal sleeve. Tightening by fine-tuning nuts to adjust the smoothness of the steering group. Under the premise that the adjustment direction is relatively smooth, minimize vacancy. Now, our steering components have been installed. Next, we fasten the steering assembly to the bottom plate. Later, we can adjust the front and rear positions of the steering groups by fine-tuning. To adjust the Ackerman green we need. The square meter asterisk for CS screw is used here. It is recommended to move the steering group to the last fixed. Come here. We have already installed the second part. Looking forward to seeing you next time.